Yes.
Hi fellow airsofters. Today we were playing at an old rendering plant in eastern Slovakia called KFL. Game style was flag domination, 2 flags outside and 1 inside a CQB maze. This is a huge field where you can play different styles. I usually play sniper on this field as it offers challenging distance shots with enough bushes and trees to hide. First I tried to get in the middle building from where you have control over both outside flags, but at least 6 enemy players have already taken the top floor over. I quickly decided to take someone with me so I could snipe them from below bushes. This good guy agreed without hesitation to cover my back while I snipe and clear the top floor. This flag is controlled by our team already. Headshot.
Jak jsem se zlakl. Jebo, počúvaj. Dostal. Yes. To je malušká, som potrafil. Dobre, počkaj. Padovku som videl.
With the sun shining directly in their face, I cleared 3 enemy players. It was a great advantage. Now I'm trying to flank the whole map as I heard a radio chatter about possible enemy players on our left flag. I had to move slowly, but to my surprise, there was no one there. Just over the head. Again?
Dostal.
No. I hit his head. This flag was also controlled by our team.
Dobre, čisté.
Sorry man, it must have hurt.
Ok, ja som pomohol jednému na tej druhej vlajke.
Now I'm moving back to the main building to conquer the last flag. Yep. Things like these happen in the rough terrain. You have to tread carefully. I'm rejoining my buddy. We'll go through the basement to the left side of the map. Here I notice the guy just lying there, waiting. Yep, I saw an enemy there. He really thought I would miss. Well, bad for you. Now we've entered the CQB, trying to check the middle flag inside. We had to move really slowly, as enemy could be anywhere. Yep, there he is. And he's down. But so are we. This guy was all in black, hidden behind tires. Black on black, something you will hardly see. I got a painful shot to my stomach, but, well, it's a nice beer 1-pack, so I'll walk it off. Hope you enjoyed.